been spending some time. This genre that is woven into our national fabric, rock and roll. Talk to yourself about it, really quick. Forgiving someone is one thing. It can be very difficult. I know this. People can, they make mistakes. They can mean to do you harm, and you don't want to carry their sickness. You say, okay, I forgive you. Go on your way. It's all right. Something different happens with forgiveness. When you are the one who needs to be forgiven, and the one who needs to do forgiving is also you. Most often, we have a coping mechanism called denial. And you'll be woken up right in the middle of the night and have to start about where you're living. Have regret the things you've done in the past. I have a friend. She got the dog door and it got really ugly. It always gets me. She lost everything, so she resorted to the world's oldest profession. Because that fix is very expensive for that woman. So she sold the only thing that was truly hers. But she got clean, but she still has those missing years of her life. And so she has a very difficult time reconciling the things that she did. I have another very close friend, my brother. He's an army ranger. And he went off to a very, very difficult deployment. I can only imagine the things that he and his brothers and sisters over there, what they experienced. All I know is when he came back, he was not the same. You know this, right? It's a very difficult time reconciling the things that he did in the name of God and country. Sanguinary, bloody, vicious things. And he'll never talk to you. So he has a hard time forgiving himself for that too. You'll hear this song, put them together so that they could find forgiveness. They could have that love and that self-acceptance together. You know what I'm talking about. The song is called Where I've Been.